Okay, so today we've got a key from a Mark 7 Golf. It's about 2014, and the customer's told us that the key blade has just dropped out. If you can see here, the blade wobbles from side to side, and if I take that out, you can see just here there's a crack that's happened, and then this pin has dropped out, and then the blade's dropped out. So we're not sure how we're going to fix this yet, but this is a bad problem that is going to start happening, and it's something to watch out for on the new Volkswagen Seat and Skoda Keys.